Hello dressers, it's that time again. We have an unboxing. So I'm still doing unboxings from Christmas. Don't judge me. I've been moving, I've been traveling, I've been working, but I wanted to share this special Christmas gift with you. So I got another gift from my first Santa. Check that video. But this gift is from my second Santa. And as you know, it's from my favorite brand, Fendi. So let's check it out. Second Santa is awesome. And I'm really grateful. Let's see what he got me. So second Santa got me an amazing Fendi Baguette from spring summer 2020, and it is stunning. Look at this, it's so classic. I love the classic stripe. This is like an iconic piece. I love the size, and I think it will match with so many of my pieces. I have so many things that can go with this. On the inside, it has a zipper at the back. And let's see what else is inside here. It has a crossbody, so I can add a crossbody strap to it. Yeah, I'm loving this. Thank you so much, Santa. So excited to be wearing the new Fendi. There are a lot more pieces I'll be getting from Fendi shortly, so I can't wait to share those with you as well. Fendi creates the most iconic pieces that match my style. Some people message, oh, like, why do you like Fendi? Fendi matches my style. The way they choose their colors, their patterns, their design, it's perfect for me. Thank you so much, Santa number 2. All my love. Bye, dressers.